Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Logically. In this video, we will be writing a program to compute the factorial of a given number. As you all know, factorial is nothing but the product of all the integers starting with 1 to the number itself. It means, for example, we have a limit as 5, then the factorial would be product of 1 to 5. So let's start writing a program. I'm having a variable limit until which we have to find the factorial. Now there are two approaches to solve this program itself. One with the single loop, a normal loop with the respective range, and another approach is a recursive function. So we will be seeing both of the approaches today. First start with the loop approach. I'm having the loop for ranging from 1 to the number itself. So I'm saying limit. To compute the result, I will be having a variable where factorial is equal to 1. As we will be multiplying it by other numbers, I am initializing it to the 1. Now inside loop, I'll do factorial is equal to factorial into I. So for the range starting with 1 to the limit, the multiplication will happen and factorial will get updated. So in our case, let's try and run the program. Okay, it is giving a big number. Let's meld it with smaller one with which we can verify it. For the 5 factorial, we should be getting result as 120. Yes, it is giving the correct result. As you can see, any number multiplied by 1 is the same number only. So that we can change the start range of this loop. We can start with 2 because multiplying by 1 has no effect. It is working as well. This is the normal approach. Now let's try a recursive option. So for a recursive approach, I will be creating a function. Let's say get factorial. It accepts the limit of type integer and it will be returning result as a integer. First we have to check for a condition. If limit is equal to 1, then we should be returning 1 itself. Else, if limit is not equal to 1, then we will be returning n into, or in our case limit into, recursive call to the function limit minus 1. Now instead of printing this factorial variable here, I am printing the function result as get factorial and I am passing limit to it. So basically it should return the same result itself, 120. Here it is. So to explain the recursion more, let's try and dry run this a bit. So for the first iteration, we have limit as 5 and what we are doing is 5 into get factorial and we are passing it as a 4. So for the next iteration, it will be 5 into the result of this function. Okay, So the result of this function is what? It will again go inside this function and will check if limit is equal to 1. No. So it will go into the else condition and it will say limit into 4 into get factorial of 3 and so on. So it will ultimately will resolve to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and so on. So it will return the final result same as this one. So both approaches are different, but the result we are computing are the same. So in this video, we learned about the recursion and a loop, range and everything. This is a very simple program, but it can be asked in an interview. So be prepared, practice it on your own. That's it for this video. I will meet you soon in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Bye.